JD Cap 26 here. How are you guys doing today, and girls? We got a kit that came in today. So let's open her up and see what's inside. It's very well packaged. Kind of excited to see this one. Yeah, I'm going as fast as I can, okay, guys? I don't want to damage it. Maybe I should use some scissors, huh? Some scissors over here. Pull it out of there. Wow, that looks pretty cool so far. Wow, look at that. It's a Troglodyte, or Troglodyte, from mythology. And it's about 6 inches tall. Let's see if we can get it out of the bag here without breaking anything. Oh, it's not bad. It's pretty much put together, except for this club I have to drill out or attach right there. That's pretty cool. This is from Monsters in Motion, and it's a pretty good outfit. They carry a lot of unusual, hard to find kits. And yes, Monsters in Motions, that's a shout out to you, because you're in the business. Yeah, so that goes like that somehow. I think I'll use green stuff on that. Clean up that maybe right there. Can you see that right there? I don't know, maybe just clean that up a little bit. So we'll be working on this, and see, there's some flashing right there. And see how it comes out. It's pretty cool. Wow, like that. Stay tuned. So put the base to the side there, and let's see what we got here. Right there. Just cut in right there. Piece right there. And there's a piece right here. Cut that off on the shoulder. That looks like part of the nail. You can't do too much to this. I mean, pretty well, good casting, pretty good casting. I mean, cut that side right here. Cut that off. It's gonna need some sanding, I think, in here, but you could get most of the flashing off like this. Well, I got some work here to do, so stay tuned. So I want to show you, like, there's a seam line here, and right here you just scrape it with a sharp knife like that. Just smooth it down. That's your best bet. I wouldn't go in there with sandpaper, because you'll knock down the texture of the skin. So you just want to do that all around the model, like that, like right in there. You'll find the creases, and you just knock them down with the knife. So we need some green stuff to put the club on. This club right here, we have to mix it. But I want to show you something with this green stuff. Cut off some finger things from a glove, and put it over the green stuff. Like that. Like that. Okay. Just to cover it. So we're going to mix these two together like this. Two little pieces. Get it nice and green. It likes to stick. If you want to put oil, like a little Vaseline on the tips of your fingers, you can do that, and that'll help you so it doesn't stick to your fingers, and also to smooth out the green stuff. I'm using this to attach the club, so let's get it nice. There, it's nice and green. I take about half as much. Put it down here. stick it to something. Take it like this, roll it into a little ball. Okay. I'm going to stick it in right in there. Okay. And the orientation of this is like this. Okay. Okay, you see the extra green stuff coming out? You're going to wick that away with a knife. Just going to wick it away and then let it dry overnight. So you just take the knife and you go in there like this and you cut away the green stuff like that with the knife and then wipe it onto a piece of cloth. It'll come off the cloth like that. You can even go in against it. Just getting a close-up of that club. So we're back here and we're shaking up these bottles. These are Aztec colors. I wish they had actually put the actual color on top of the bottle here. They don't put the name exactly. You have to just look at the color. This is about a yellow. We're going to mix a yellow and a white. Just one drop. One drop of, small drop of yellow in that. Because we're going to do, see if we can mix this up here. Do a very pale, like your fingernail. So we're just going to go in here and do his little toes. Okay, like that. Doesn't take much. You just drop the paint in and like that, see? Let me show you a closer look. See that? Like that. I'm going to dust that over with a little, I'm going to mist that over a little bit. I'm going to do all his nails. I just want to show you this part too, and when you do this, you want to leave what's in between the black. You go across it, you don't go with it. So you just dry brush over it like that. Okay, that's a little trick. Go against it, don't go with it, like that. So he's all done. Get him in focused here for you. I hope you like him. Here's a close-up. His eyes. So that's the model for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. Ring the little notification bell as well for new videos. Thanks for watching.